Well, good morning, folks. Aaron here, Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon. Again, we're right off Crater Lake Highway. So if you're ever in town, feel free to stop by, check out our available inventory. Today, we are going to be checking out something pre-owned. Let's get into it. This is 2020 Leisure Travel Unity 24CB, meaning we got a corner bed on the inside. And the corner bed's going to give us a nice big storage compartment out here, which I really love. This is on the Mercedes 3500 chassis. It does have the 3-liter V6 on board. You do have 5,000 pounds of towing capacity coming off this 2-inch receiver back here. You do have roof ladder access right here for your fully walkable roof, and you do have the backup camera already included. You got Truma AquaGo on board here for you as well. Nice dependable system. Beautiful unit. This is the updated chassis for 2020. So you're going to get adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision control. Coming on in here. That beautiful craftsmanship from Leisure Travel. Up front here, Mercedes gives you all the bells and whistles. A giant display screen, paddle shifters, and the adaptive cruise controls and everything I was talking about. Heated leather power seats for you that do swivel. These are redone by Leisure Travel as well. It does have a table mount for you right there. Nice storage cabinet up above. We do have solar on board. I got a solar charger controller right there for you. Nice big smart TV for you. Storage down below with a slide out curtain or a rod for hanging clothes in there. Drop down dinette, of course. Nice memory foam in this dinette for you. The stitching on this leather is beautiful here. Love it. Real Corian countertops over here. Large basin sink. Gooseneck style faucet for you. You got the 2-burner stove. All that real wood here. I love all that. Nice finish on all that. Super sturdy drawers. Got 1, 2 access points to the refrigerator there for you. Freezer as well. Convection microwave. Nice big storage area here. Used for hanging as well. Porcelain toilet down below. That Corian countertop in the bathroom for you as well. Nice big shower stall. Fit somebody 6'3" in there. Nice and easy. Corner bed. Lots of storage up above here for you as well. Accent lighting, reading lighting, all that in here for you. Another TV for your enjoyment at night. Little privacy curtain here for you when you want some privacy. And of course, who doesn't love a pull-out pantry? All right, well, there's a lot more to go over on this Leisure Travel. Go ahead and reach out to me, Aaron, or somebody on the team. We'd be more than happy to help. Have a great day.